Hey, what's going on? Ben Kaiser here, and welcome back to another episode of JobsInTheFuture.com. Today we're going to talk about data analyst. Now, did you know that a data analyst, right now there are jobs out there, people earning $70,000 to $120,000. Right now there's about 6,000 job listings alone on Glassdoor. And these companies such as Microsoft, Bosch Tools, Etsy shops, Zillow real estate. I mean, this is a huge opportunity to be a data analyst. Also, IBM says that they just put out an article recently saying how there's going to be a 28% increase in need for data analysts. So, I mean, if you are ready to jump in immediately right now to this data analyst, head on over to jobsinthefuture.com. We got a course to get your feet wet. We have a course for Hadoop and get you plugged in, learning how to do big data. And we also have a master's degree. And these educational opportunities are things that we have brought together and have created a path for you guys to gain skills. So head on over right now if you're already ready to dive in. If not, if you're wondering about what data analyst is and what they do, stay tuned here and we'll go through that right now. So what is a data analyst? Well, data analyst is somebody who observes quantitative and qualitative extraction of data for business gain. Now, the business is business to consumer. So they're assessing consumer activities and seeing what they do and how they purchase products, services, and things like that. So the data analysts are going to review customers, economics, culture, current news, and they're going to funnel all that information down to develop a strategy for business development. Now, data is collected from very different sources. So things like private websites, social media, newspaper articles, online blogs, different things like that. And then that is how they find what demographic, age or gender, interest, and their economic status of a certain group of people that the data analyst and his company is targeting. So an example of how data analysts kind of operate. So imagine a new app coming out for a tech company, and they want to combine a calendar and a running application. So what do? How do they develop this? Well, one way that they can do this is research the demographic, see their age, their habits, if they run with technology, if they don't, their money, income. So they file all that information down, boil it down, and then they come up with a strategy. So it's a lot of research. If you're into research, this is great. If you're into opportunities on presentations, really great opportunity and big money. I mean, $70,000 to $120,000 is really where we're starting out right now. So it's pretty incredible. All right, now some of the things that they're looking for with these jobs descriptions, they're saying somebody who can review data for internal systems and analyze data sets to support strategy and recommendations, identify and use data mining techniques to support business cases for programs, and then develop PowerPoints and presentations to show to either clients or internal administrators and executives. So skills needed for this would obviously be skills on how to do data research and the technologies that involve that, but also critical thinking, strong project management skills, and critical thinking and problem solving, though, if I can step back to those are going to be the key. Because, okay, so automation, artificial intelligence, big scare right now. Well, critical thinking and creativity and planning is where we outweigh our robotic counterparts, as is to say, 10 to 1. They still haven't mastered critical thinking for robots. I'm super grateful for that. So this is one area that you will definitely outshine. All right, now these programs I was talking about earlier, we have 3 programs that we've assembled for y'all to get a good start on careers and building skills to head towards that. The first one is out of Queensland University of Technology. It's the Big Data Analytics program. This program will help you to identify big data application areas, use big data frameworks, and then model, analyze data by applying selected techniques, and then demonstrate an integrated approach to data. And then lastly, how to participate and work with your team as far as these data sets are concerned. Another one, learning tools specifically, is by Edureka, and this is a Hadoop certification, and it will make you an expert on various techniques and technologies to do data analyzing and research. Now, if you are ready to dive deep, you already have some skills built in data analyst strategies. There is an offer for a master's in computer science in data science for the University of Illinois on the Urbana campus, but the Urbana campus online. So you can do this master's degree anywhere on your own timing. Incredible opportunity. So there are requirements to this, though. You do need a bachelor's degree. You do need a background in computer programming and data structures, as well as algorithms. And employment experience is required. But they said that if you have projects you've worked on, but you don't necessarily have employment experience, proof of those projects will get you could get you a spot in their program. Also, it's good to know a little C++ and JavaScript. Definitely help to succeed. So, data analyst, huge market right now, growing, and as IBM was saying, 28% gain in the opportunities to come. So this is a career that has a pretty substantial future-proof outlook. $70,000 to $120,000, big profit opportunity for the person willing to dive in and grow those skills in becoming a data analyst. So as always, thank you so much for watching. If this video has helped you at all, please hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel here, jobsinthefuture.com, to stay up to date on all of your current job opportunities. And just come on over, check us out, jobsinthefuture.com, to step out into a new career path right now. Thanks, guys.